G'day, it's Mark and welcome back to the channel. And today we're just having a quick look at a car that I used to own years ago. I bought it off my brother and then sold it to my mate David, and then he's thinking of selling it, so my brother said go and have a look at it because he might want to buy it back again. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we are looking at a Falcon that I used to own, and prior to me owning it, my brother owned it. And now David owns it, my mate David, you know David from the Fairlane Millennium and his Oldsmobile Toronado and other such famous episodes talking about Australian cars. And so David's thinking he might let this one go, and so I said, well, my brother's probably interested in getting it back because he has an emotional attachment to it. So it's a XF unleaded fuel model. It's a little parking light in the front bumper bar on the side. And it's a 5-speed manual, 4.1 5-speed manual. So just might go and have a bit of a closer look at it. So she's a barn find. Covered in a good layer of dust, but she's all there. Complete with cobwebs. He used to drive this to work back in the day. Falcon S. It's not rusty. They can get rusty around the pillars here. It's actually got its door handle still. All of its door handles intact. One's maybe needs replacing. That's pretty common on these. Okay. The interior, got the little tray and the fold down seat in the back. I think the headlining's all good. And see if I can squeeze in here. Console's got a little bit of wear, but I think that was probably on it before. Manual. Just needs a good wash and a good clean, a bit of electrical work done, and get it back on the road. The interior's still in pretty good nick, isn't it? It's pretty cool. And under this dust, it's all shiny and new. That's right, it's all shiny and new. So the worst part of the car really is probably just that rust in the leading edge of the bonnet, but that's actually not that bad. That can be fixed fairly easily. It's still got its, looks like Oranger headlight covers. Yeah, it's just a car that's just been sitting a long time. Needs a bit of work, bit of mechanical, bit of electrical, but it's pretty cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short little grab of a XF Falcon S-Pack 5-speed manual. Should my brother buy it? Should he get it back? I think he probably should. Anyway, what do you reckon? Anyway, hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And we'll see you next time. Bye.